Ladies and gentlemen, with gentlemen being unlikely and ladies being even less likely, welcome to the workbench. Today we're going to be taking a look at this knife here, where I did an unboxing. I'll point a link up here in the corner. So, this is not going to be a review video. This is going to be a fun project video, as the title probably shows. This knife, what she doesn't do is throw a spark. Not at all, not whatsoever. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure she throws a spark. So step number the first, we got to get her into the vise. But before we do that, we got to make sure that she's not going to get marred up. So we're going to just cut a little piece of wood so we can throw it in the vise and not chew up my knife. Let's do that. In order to do that, we got a little piece of wood and a chain of saw. Focus, you fuck. So let's get to her. Well, you know what they say. There's no kill like overkill. Okie doke. Now that we got a couple pieces of wood, because I don't have soft jaws, let's just throw this in there. Let's go like this. All we want to do is keep the back end of her sticking out a little bit. Let's tighten her down. Whoa, wrong way. Oh, and my vise isn't locked. That's good. Okay. Lock you down. Lock you down. Okay, now that we've got her in there, all we needs to do is grab a cheapo little file. And we're just gonna file down the spine of her. Oops. That should be good, B. Let's try her out. Okay, move you over here, Wah. Put you down there. And unless I need to do more, that should be okay. Let's find it. Yeah, I'll take her down just a little bit more. Same process. Scooby-doo-boop. Dooby-doo-boop. Scooby-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-boop. Grab you. Doo-doo-doo. Remind me to make a proper set of soft jaws for my vise. Lemons. Okay, that should do. No. She needs to sit a little more proud. There we go. Wah! Okay. Oh, wrong way. And now, wee. She should throw a decent spark. So there you go. A short video though it were, that is how you take a knife with a lousy spine, very simply and easily file her down, and start throwing nice old sparks. Thanks for watching. Keep your stick on the ice.